The store is so gorgeous that many people stop in just for a look, including tourists. And the staff seems completely comfortable with that. Head to the stunning view from the top balcony, particularly a little off-center to either side. That allows travelers to avoid the small line of people taking selfies at dead center. Shooting from the stage cafe is another popular option. The news shapes where we travel. In Egypt, tourism dropped sharply after the 2010 season due to political strife and violence. Much of this is now stabilized, says Geographic Expeditions Managing Director Kate Doty. Travelers who want to see Egypt before it is overrun again with tourists are going now, which is building back a solid base. Due to the vast distance messages must travel between Earth and the spacecraft, members of the New Horizons team didn't immediately know for sure whether the flyby was successful. But just after 1030 am, as a plush of the Disney dog Pluto watched over them, the confirmation signal came in, and the teams in charge of each New Horizons subsystem started reporting back. Nancy Grace Roman, the boundary-breaking astronomer and NASA executive who was a tireless advocate for the Hubble Space Telescope, died on December 25 at the age of 93. Often called the mother of Hubble for her vital role with the famed observatory, Roman was NASA's first chief of astronomy and one of the first women executives for the agency. Ducks dive, pelicans skim across the water's surface, and hundreds of other species stalk the shores and bob on the surface of California's largest, and most unusual, lake. Thailand is known for its warm hospitality, lush rainforests with spectacular waterfalls, pristine beaches, and spicy cuisine from the freshest ingredients. Yet, its surging global popularity as a tourism hotspot means the government has to work hard to preserve and conserve the country's natural wonders.